Like, I have to start packaging. It's so gloomy today. I was actually telling my sister that this year it's not really hot as compared to the last previous years. But this year it's okay, it's not bad. Okay, let me wake up and start my day. To brush my teeth, wash my face, and then start working. I have to go and see someone at the courier. Need to have a meeting with him. Then I'll be making dinner in the night. Yeah, I'm just busy looking at myself with hair, but adulting. But I'm laughing. I'm happy. Yeah. I have long lashes, so they enter in my eyes sometimes. Like one will come out and then enter in the eye. Last time I just had to take me to cry. That's when it came out. You guys, it was in my eye like for 3 days. Can you imagine like the eye like become a I don't know what is it, lash, the eyelash become a one. It entered my eye and it stayed there for 3 days. You guys, I'm not joking, like 3 days. And then something happened and I had to cry. Look out for me. Can you imagine? But yeah. Let me just wake up and start my day. Because nobody ain't gonna start it for me. Boom. So I'm going to the car wash to have my car washed. Yeah, I'm from taking a nap. I had the busiest week, packaging, doing the try-on house and etc. Yeah, so let's go to the car wash. I wash my car every week. I don't know how many times you guys wash your cars. For those of us who have, and for those that don't have, may God help you to achieve your goals this year. If it's a car that you want, or if it's a house, or just marriage, yada yada. Yeah, so let me get to the main road. And this is my neighborhood. As you can see, you guys, like my car, there's no gas. It was just sitting collecting dust, so I need to have it cleaned. Yeah.
Persian eyes, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought she was Persian eyes. How
So now let's go to the car wash. Hey guys, I'm home now. I didn't manage to go and see the guy who I wanted to see at the courier where we used to collect things, but it's not everything that we get from there, just some things. Yeah, so my day was a bit busy in the morning. I can't record like how I'm waking or how I'm packaging because I only have a phone. I don't have a camera, but hopefully I get that next year. But this year I'm just gonna be using a phone, and yeah, maybe if I upgrade the quality will be okay, but that's why I don't really show you guys like behind the scenes. It would have been interesting, but I have another phone or a camera by the tripod and I'm working. But without that, like I can't record anything because I'm using my phone for work. I don't have like a laptop or anything. I use everything on my phone, my work, yeah, everything literally I use. With money at this because they're cute. I literally do everything on my phone. Yeah. So that's that. I just want to take a shower and then respond to a few messages which I need to respond to, and then just have a devotion. Because today I'm feeling drained, like really drained. But it's okay. I still believe in God. Not all days are Sundays. So I'm going to hang in there and feel whatever I'm feeling. Hey guys, so I have taken a shower and I feel better. Yeah, so let me show you guys my book, God What the Heck, and everything down here. Yeah, guys, I'm in love with my nails. No matter how bad I'm feeling, I just look at them and I feel better. Yeah, so let me just have my devotion and then watch a movie. So I am on chapter 2 something. Yeah. Transform, follow, sacrifice. Okay. Yeah, I'm on chapter. Yesterday I was reading Hosea and Ezekiel, so today I'm on Romans, which is saying from the word and not God's word. Commit to changing them, even if it feels like staying on the altar when you want to jump off. Transformation follows sacrifice. Yeah.
Good morning. How are you?
Good morning. How are you guys?
I can see Mr. What?
Doritos, not that nachos.
On the Dorito.
Dorito bitches. That goes the nachos. Hey guys. Hi guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Look at my baby. She came to see me. Thank you so much, Mana.
You're most welcome. Love you so much.
Love you too.
I feel good when I'm with you, Manchi. I mean, like.
Me too. Be company.
Yeah.
I brought my car. And her car is also there. I'm sorry.
Let me show you.
Cars, guys. Spot the cars. Today is nama
So when would you like to upgrade the car?
nama Range
Why did you
Rover.
my way?
As soon as possible. But not this year. No, maybe next year.
Okay, put it in 3 years time. Maybe in your.
No, 2 years time. 3 years time is a load.
Are you serious?
Yeah. The power phone should have
Read that.
maybe if I get married next year, since I'm likely to get
Oh,
married.
put that God, let my husband buy me a car.
Yeah, actually that's what I want to do.
Yeah.
I want my baby to buy me a car.
No, whatever you put out there to definitely manifest. So if you tell God that I want my man to buy me a car here, look at how your car looks nice, shiny. As compared to mine. I'm gonna.
Yeah.
How you have a car? Wow. But it looks nice.
Neo, and I'm locked right here on DC.
Like
Vamos a na permanent rule.
I'm not a bougie person. Like, as long as you just have the right company, you get. It's not about going to the most expensive.
Yeah, you know, like,
place.
yeah.
Amara was speaking during a meeting with friends.
I know that is genuine.